Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu. First, let's prepare the rich mascarpone cream. In a bowl, whisk 250 grams of mascarpone cheese with 50 milliliters of condensed milk until smooth. In a separate bowl, beat 250 milliliters of double cream until it forms firm peaks. Then, carefully fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture, along with 100 milliliters of Marsala wine. This creates a light, airy, and flavorful cream base. Next, prepare your coffee mixture for the ladyfingers. Brew a strong espresso and ensure it's completely cold. Pour 355 milliliters of this cold espresso into a shallow dish, and if you like, add 3 tablespoons of coffee liqueur for extra depth. Now, take your ladyfingers and quickly dip each one into the coffee mixture, about 1 second per side. This prevents them from becoming too soggy, maintaining a perfect texture. Now it's time to assemble your tiramisu. In an 8x8-inch dish, lay out a single, even layer of your quickly dipped ladyfingers. Next, spread half of the luscious mascarpone cream mixture evenly over these ladyfingers, ensuring full coverage. Repeat this process. Add another layer of dipped ladyfingers, then top with the remaining mascarpone cream. Smooth the top gently to create a beautiful, even surface for the final touches. The final steps are crucial for the perfect tiramisu. Cover your assembled dish tightly and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. Chilling it overnight truly allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine sieve for that classic finish. This dessert is a delightful treat for any occasion. For more great deals and to check out that amazing robot vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.